Hello YouTube. Welcome to the channel. This is me, my first video. I had an intro filmed for this video and it somehow got deleted. I don't know where it went. But yeah, I went out about 2 weeks ago. This is that video. It's kind of a tough bite, but caught some fish. I wanted to share it with you. So what my goal for this channel is to do a lot of fishing videos, instructional videos, tournament vlogs, and maybe even a little bit of bait making and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and share. All products that I'm going to use, I'm going to do my best to list in the description. With that being said, welcome, and I hope you enjoy. And if there's anything specifically you guys want to see, just comment in the comments below. Alrighty, let's get to it.
Gone. Oh, God dang it. Oh. He ate it. No, sorry. Look at you laying that back. Stay down. It's a good one too. Feels good. Oh, dude, that's good. He's just dogging me, dude. It's because it is. It's a good one, dude. It's like a 4-pounder. Yeah. I don't know about that, but That's a good one. Got him. Woohoo! Oh. Oh, dude. These hooks suck. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dude. These hooks are doo-doo. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how he's hooked, man. That's barely even skin hooked. That's crazy. Oop, just poked out like that. We might be changing them hooks at some point. You guys have to do that? There we go. Stay on. Stay on. Finally, another one. Oh, nothing special or nothing, but let's see if there's more in there. I'm just gonna sit here now.